Alright guys, today in the shop we have a Greensmaster 3320 Tri Flex Hybrid, and today's tutorial is going to be on removing the reel, the cutting unit. This is what it looks like here. This is the Triflex. Has the deck in the middle here. You can get in there. Now, the reason why I wanted to do this, I had already taken one off, and when I tried to get it back on, I was struggling with these clamps for about a half hour trying to figure out how to clamp it back up to this bar. Alright, and so I didn't pay attention when I had taken this apart. I just saw the clamps, I undid them, and I slid this motor out. And then when I go to put it back together, I couldn't get these to clamp back on, and I'm going to show you why. Alright, first is taking it off. Alright, you have this motor here, which you need to push in on this, and there's one on the other side, and it's right there. So you're going to use both your thumbs to push in on that. Alright, so push in like that, and I'll push that bracket forward, and you can take that out. Now what you can do is up here in the front, you have a little hole there that this gear can go into, just like that. Alright, now, just pull up on these clips, like that. Alright, and this is going to take two hands here. So you want to be able to push down on this. Take that pin up, push down. There we go. Now your unit's free. So when you're going to put this back together, you're going to lower this down, and some of you might be fighting with this, trying to get these clips back onto this bar. Alright, and I feel like I'm an idiot because it took me a while to figure this out. But see these red things here? Well, underneath of here, there's actually a groove in there. These, it's hard to do with one hand. Let me bring it over here. Let's see. So that slides down in that groove. Then you'll be able to clamp this on. But I was trying to figure out where this reel set on here, and I was putting it in all the wrong spots, when really you got to tilt it up and you got to slide it down on that groove. Slide it down over top. Alright, so you slide it down over top, put your clamp on, and voila. And that's how you remove the reel and the motor on the Greensmaster 3320 Triflex Hybrid.